Good afternoon, friends. Firstline Garage Door Repair Company is with you. Today we will show you how to professionally lubricate your garage door and opener rail. We ask that you use only professional sprays with a dispenser. First of all, lubricate all the hinges and rollers. We carefully lubricate all the cracks and mechanisms. Lubricate all tracks, horizontal and vertical. Lubricate both sides and don't forget about the lower braces. Each garage door has bearings on the side and must be lubricated on both sides. Next, we lubricate the bracket for the handle from the opener. Some pins make an unpleasant noise. Afterwards, we lubricate the springs, and there is a bearing between the springs, which is very important to lubricate. Next, we lubricate the rail from the opener with a special lubricant that usually comes with the LiftMaster opener. But you can also use solid oil. Spread it in waves over the entire rail. Next, we need to close and open the door twice. Listen to the third time your door has become quieter and smoother. We recommend doing this twice a year. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you for watching.